One of the major advantages of adding in styles onto your document is that you can simply update out the style in one go. So over here, you can see that there's title right here. And if I were to click on it, heading 1 is applied over here. For this one, title is applied. This one is a normal text. So both of these right here is heading 1. So if I want to change out a style right here, I can simply go over here. Maybe I can bold this out, italicize it out, and then change out the text for this one. And to update this heading and all the other headings that might be there in the document, you can simply go over here, go inside of heading 1 and click on update heading 1 to match. So once you do that, you can see that the heading at the top, which has been applied with heading 1, is updated as well. Similarly, you can do the same for the normal text as well. So let me just go over here. So this, as you can see, is a normal text. So I'm just going to go around and then change the color of the text right here into blue right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is blue. I'm just going to choose a brighter one so that it's more clear. So now in order to change the color of all of these normal text, simply go over here onto normal text and then update normal to match. And you can see that it just changes out the style over here as well. So the color is changed and the indentation is changed as well. So this is tabbed on, the indented on to the right. And that is why it is like that. But I'm just going to press Ctrl Z right here. I'm going to change this one out and then update the normal text. I'm just going to go around here on into the normal text right here. Open this out, update normal to match. So just select this and then around update normal to match, and you can see that all the normal text right here with the black font has been changed out just like that. And that is how you can use the update styles to match feature inside of Google Docs to make sure that there's a consistency within the files. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.